Richat Structure, Mauritania. Astronauts have been watching the Richat Structure, also known as the Eye of Sahara, in Ouadane since humans first entered space. Viewed from the International Space Station, the 30-mile, 48.2 kilometers, wide swirl resembles a bull's eye or snail's shell. The geological quirk was believed to be a crater caused by a meteorite, but it's now thought it was once a dome that has eroded over time. Stonehenge, England. This circle of rocks has long been one of the UK's most well-known and mysterious sites, with historians and scientists baffled as to how its builders transported the monoliths 5,000 years ago. In 2019, Newcastle University students may have solved the riddle when they discovered that humans, not aliens, may have dragged the rocks in place using sledges lubricated with pig fat. Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. It's nothing to do with the Bangles hit song, but this is an, almost, eternal flame. The bewitching orange-red glow that flickers behind this staggered waterfall, in New York's Chestnut Ridge Park, is kept aflame by natural methane gas that seeps through cracks in the rock. It's occasionally extinguished by splashes, but visitors can bring it back to life with a lighter. Blood Falls, Antarctica. The world's coldest and perhaps most enigmatic continent is home to a blood-red waterfall that seeps into the ice. Geologists originally thought the red color was due to algae, but the truth is actually much more interesting. It started around 2 million years ago when a saltwater pool was trapped inside Taylor Glacier. The sealed, airless lake's high iron content and salinity caused the rust-red color that eventually oozed out of a fissure in the ice. Great Blue Hole, Belize. Divers and underwater explorers, including French writer and explorer Jacques Cousteau, have fallen under the spell of the world's biggest sinkhole, which measures around 1,000 feet, 304 m, across and plunges to 400 feet, 122 m, deep. Its deepest, darkest secrets remained a mystery until late 2018, when an expedition team including Jacques' grandson, Fabien Cousteau, and Sir Richard Branson shot video from a submarine, revealing stalactites and unidentifiable tracks. Fairy circles, Namibia. Are these circular patches, dotted over the Namibian desert in their millions, the work of gods, aliens, or, termites? Obviously one answer is less romantic than the others, but it's also the most logical theory scientists have come up with for the so-called fairy circles, which are only found here and in parts of Australia. There's still no official explanation and studies continue. Rock-hewn churches, Ethiopia. The rose-hued rock churches of Lalibela are jaw-droppingly beautiful, and the 11 monolithic structures become even more incredible when you hear their story. It's said that King Lalibela, who reigned in the 12th and 13th centuries, carved each with help from the angels alone. While it's more likely he was aided by thousands of slaves, their existence is certainly miraculous. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. It's the stuff that nightmares are made of, a gaping, fiery chasm tearing a hole in the earth. The Darvaza gas crater, or Door to Hell, opened in 1971. Engineers were drilling a natural gas field in the northern Turkmenistan desert when a portion collapsed into an underground cavern. It was set alight to prevent gases from spreading, and it's still burning decade. Devil's Bridge, Germany. Rakotsbruck is so pretty it could perhaps more aptly be called Fairy Tale Bridge. But its name, which means Devil's Bridge, comes from its supernatural associations. The looping structure, in the German town of Kromlau, forms a perfect circle with its watery reflection, a clever trick of engineering that some see as otherworldly. Marfa Lights, Texas, USA. On clear nights, lights twinkle on the horizon just outside the hip Texan town of Marfa, and they've been baffling onlookers for more than 135 years. The bright orbs throb, or, some say, move across the sky. Even James Dean, in Marfa filming the movie Giant, was spooked and captivated by the still unexplained phenomenon. Theories on what they are include UFOs, ghosts of Spanish conquistadors, and car headlights. Ten most mysterious places on Earth.